a very short version. The other version I just did is 3 minutes, 43 seconds. I'll have to get to the library to post. This is nearly done now. It's December 26, 2022. That's been a couple of major compositional changes. The pencil drawing of 1987, my late Uncle Al is gone, out. I put in pieces cut up from a lino cut I made in London, England in 2017 called The Sea Demons and the Sailing Ship St. Louis, 1939. And I reworked the portrait from a photograph of a female Romani or Sinti prisoner at the Nazis' Auschwitz death camp in Nazi-occupied Poland, Z9260. The lino cut, the mission, which I printed, made in September 1973, printed October 8, 1973, moved over here now. And we have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars, a truck, 2 trucks, and a Greyhound bus. I think those sketches were done by my 2 oldest nephews around 1990 or 91 when we were visiting my folks, who were around the age I'm at now, early 70s in Florida. Dad was hearing impaired, as I am also. And we have 2 fragments from a lino cut print of about Primo Levi, the late Auschwitz slave labor death camp survivor, Italian author of renown and chemist. All right, to be continued. Almost done. I just got to finish the lettering on top.